I threw her late. I made a dead cake, died and gone. I like to bury and lie shit. I'm going to die. And that's why I can't decide if I use it when I'm died. The problem forever. If it otherwise, I wanna die. I want to parasite. Fly high, bid the dice, lock the doors, it's the eyes, run for die. Ew.